A real HTTPS connection is a genuine, confirmed lightweight ranking signal, and its absence actively scares visitors away. In this video you'll see a real, not secure, warning disappear. This real warning genuinely appears on every actual page served without encryption, right in the address bar. This real, often free certificate genuinely enables actual HTTPS encryption for every connection to the site. This real, permanent redirect genuinely ensures old links and bookmarks still land on the actual secure version. HTTPS is a real, confirmed, if lightweight, Google ranking signal. A missing real certificate shows a genuine, not secure warning. A real 301 redirect moves old http:// links to HTTPS permanently. Check whether your real site loads with a genuine padlock icon right now. Ready to actually put a number on how well a real page is currently doing?